Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! It is 2025, and in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you along as I undecorate for Christmas and reorganize all of my Christmas decor. I got this new organizer to section off all of the ornaments and put just the ornaments in one place, and I got a lot of decluttering done. I was able to get rid of a whole bag of Christmas stuff. I have a lot of Christmas decor that I love to use every year. I will show you my decor closet at the end. I love to decorate for all of the seasons, so I have a bin for fall, Easter, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. So there's a lot of decor, but I use it and I love it. But I was so excited to be able to go through my Christmas decor and really organize it really well. One thing that I was finding is I didn't want to pull out the sentimental Christmas ornaments because they were just so overwhelming to go through. So getting this organizer has really helped. Hopefully next year when I pull it out, maybe we can add some of those sentimental ornaments again. Or when we do want to pull them out, they're organized really well. I will show you at the end all of the things I decluttered. I'm going to go through my Christmas bins and really organize it well this year. I took down my Christmas decor the week after Christmas, but I'm finally getting this video to you. So if you have not taken down your Christmas decor yet, hopefully this will inspire you, or it will just inspire you to tackle something on your to-do list, declutter an area in your house that is really bugging you as we enter into this new year. It's so nice to put your Christmas stuff away. Even when you're decorating for any season, it's so nice to finally get that decor put away. Give yourself a fresh space. I also decorated for winter this year, so I'll be sharing my winter decor soon in an upcoming cleaning video. So definitely stick around through this video, see how I declutter and make all of the Christmas decor go away a whole lot nicer this year. So as you can see behind me, I do have a lot of Christmas bins. These bins are so handy and I can stack them on top of each other. I feel like I could have put these dividers together a little bit better, but I was trying to get this done quickly with a almost 2-year-old in the mix. I don't have a ton of time to get this done. Thankfully, my husband was home the week after Christmas, so I was able to tackle this, and he was able to help with the younger kids. But still, I feel like I could have put these together a little bit better. There is more dividers. I could have sectioned it off more, but I kept them bigger spaces so that I could fit more in here than is recommended. But I love how it turned out. It turned out so good, and I'm so glad that I took the plunge and spent a little bit of money on these organizers and got a bigger one, and you will see how I fit it into my closet. I did go ahead and buy some other organizers for the closet as well. I got some clear bags to put all of my decorative pillows in and our Christmas stuffed animals. Because we've had a mouse in the past, I did find some signs of mice in that closet, so I wanted to go ahead and protect those pillows just in case, and I thought it was time for an upgrade on some of our organizers. And just keep all of the decor in really nice condition, make it easier for me to pull it out and get it put away and get it out to decorate for all of these seasons. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a almost 10-year-old, a almost 5-year-old, a almost 2-year-old, and then I have a 7-year-old. So here on my channel, I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely subscribe and join us here. We would love to inspire you. I'm going to be putting on some music pretty quick here. But I hope you enjoy this video and it inspires you to start the decluttering process, whether it's Christmas decor or you pull out your winter decor or your Valentine's decor in the next couple months. I hope it inspires you to declutter the pieces in your home that are not inspiring you, that you are not using, and that you get something done on your to-do list. I will be back in a little bit.
moving into place. Hearing different views, we found a different plan. With an open mind, together we can. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge we will find our way. 'Cause every step we take brings a brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. When we see ourselves in each other's eyes, we respect our differences, we empathize. 'Cause together we're stronger, together we're one. Anything is possible, forget what was done. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge we will find our way. 'Cause every step we take brings a brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find my way. Oh, 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 brighter day.
So here is everything I'm decluttering. It's a little bit of everything. We had these stockings and we have got new stockings, so I didn't need to keep these ones. Some crafty pieces that I decided to go ahead and part with. Then some random ornaments and some Christmas bags that I was not using. These pearls for the tree, they make me nervous. I feel like they're going to break and fall all over the house, and I've never really used them. This tin, and then all these little ornaments I've never used. We were given them at one point, and I just felt like I could part with them. And some broken crafty items. We've never used this ornament, so I'm going ahead and parting with it. Then these snowflake window clings that came with some other ones that I am keeping, and just some random ornaments that I didn't feel like had any sentimental value that I wasn't going to use. And then I also ended up getting rid of these window clings because I have never pulled them out. A part of me kind of wishes I'd kept them to go with my winter theme. Like I could have put them on my mirror, but then I don't know if I really want the blues popping in my main area. So if I do go ahead and pick up any window clings, it will be like more subtle wintry ones. And then this is all of the packaging from the boxes that I was able to declutter from those bins as I took out ornaments and put them in the new organizer, like 2 full bins of packaging. And then here is a look inside the new organizer, all of the ornaments put into the different trays. I love the idea of the trays. It's so simple to take them in and out. And I'm excited to decorate for Christmas next year as this is so organized. You can also get the ones where they don't have trays, but I was on the hunt for one with trays. I picked this up from Amazon and I'm so glad I did. Each of the kids has their own tray for their sentimental crafts that they've either crafted or been given over the years. And then I have most of my gingerbread decor in one, and then our Christmas balls. These Christmas balls here with the blue and silver were some of the first Christmas ornaments that my husband and I got when we got married. So I definitely wanted to keep those. Then I just have miscellaneous ones throughout here, but I'm so excited to see all of it in here. And next year I might go ahead and make some more sections, but here is all of the gingerbread decor and the new little Christmas lights that I got this year from Dollarama. Now I'm going to close it up and all of my ornaments are in one place. They're not stacked in boxes within bins and overwhelming to go through. I'm so excited. And then here is my closet. Yes, there is a lot in here, but like I said, I love to decorate for all of the seasons and I have a bin for all of the seasons. And this is super organized. I'm so excited to be able to just pull out the one bin. The Christmas tree is back over here in the corner along with our plastic kids Christmas tree from Little Tykes or Step 3. And then I have some wrapping paper over here. And all of my wreaths. I did get some organizers for my wreaths this year as well. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.